In this video, I'm gonna share with you an awesome website to make money online. Now, this is something which is really awesome strategy, as well as this works all over the world. Any one of you can do this. Okay, I'm not gonna say that it is gonna make you overnight millionaire, but if you work on it for the long term, you will earn a passive income for a very long period of time from this strategy, and that can be one of the best things because passive income is the income with which you don't have to work actively but still you make money online. So if you are interested in this type of awesome passive income earning methods, then definitely smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button, as well as a course is given first link in the description which teaches you how to do drop servicing. So if you are interested in that, you can just check that out. So guys, let me show you the website. This is known as teepublic.com. Now the best thing about this website is that you could create all this designs, okay, this type of designs of t-shirts and upload to this website. And whenever someone comes to this website and purchases this particular t-shirt, you receive a royalty. Okay, that is the best thing, because if you are a designer and if you upload designs to this website, then you will earn royalty income from that, and you don't have to do the marketing yourself. This website TeePublic itself will do the marketing of your designs for you. That can be one of the best thing to earn some extra income online, because this can be something which can be long term, and this can make you a very good income as soon as possible. You can start doing this after watching this video, okay? And this is something which works all over the world. Many of the people are making money with print on demand, as well as this is also a part of print on demand strategy, okay? Now I'm gonna show you some of the tools which you can utilize to create this type of designs. Okay, you need to invest some of your time in learning how to utilize these tools, and then you could be making money with it. Okay, but let me show you first the strategy with which you can do this without learning the skill, okay, without investing any time. And that can be, you can go to fiverr.com, and there are a lot of designers who will design t-shirt for you for $10, $5, okay. All these guys will design t-shirt designs for you, okay, and for a very minimum fraction of price. Okay, the thing is that you can just ask them for a bulk order, okay, any of this, and they will design it even for a cheaper price. If you ask them to create 100 t-shirt designs for yourself, that can be something which can be really awesome, and you can get designs in less than $50. That is more than, I think you can get 100 designs in $50 if you negotiate in a right manner with the sellers which is available of Fiverr. And this could be something which can be really rewarding. And then once you get all the designs, then you can start uploading those designs to this website which is known as teepublic.com. okay, so that is the first strategy, which is a paid strategy which you can do if you are already having money. Okay, now the second thing which I suggest the most is that you invest your time, okay, watch some tutorials and learn how to make a t-shirt design. Okay, there are a lot of tutorials which are available on YouTube, and then you can utilize this free tool which is known as photopea.com. Now this is a tool which is just like Photoshop, which is available online. Okay, so you don't need to download this to your computer, you can utilize it directly on the internet, and you can edit any of the photos, you can create any of the designs with this tool. It will take some time to learn this tool, but definitely it is worth it, and you can start creating designs with this awesome tool and make money online as soon as possible if you want to do it absolutely for free. Okay, but you have to invest the time in learning. And one more tool which you can utilize to create this type of designs is Canva. Okay, you can go to Canva and you can search for t-shirt designs, and you will get a lot of templates over here. Now you can utilize these templates and you can really create some nice designs with Canva. Okay, there are a ton of tutorials which are available which teach you how to create t-shirt designs on Canva, but to download those designs you need a Canva premium account. Okay, or else you can download the designs, but they will come with the background cannot be removed. Okay, so that's one of the things which you need to understand and which which you need to purchase if you are really serious about making money online on tpublic.com. Okay, and these are genuine tools which you can utilize. I am doing print on demand and I know that it works. Okay, this is something which is really good. This is something which will pay you money in for a very long period of time in upcoming future. So definitely, if you want a strategy that can earn you a long term passive income, this can be one of the best things which most of you can easily do and make money online as a beginner. And the skill level required for this is very simple, and the skills which are needed for this are also very easy to learn. Okay, so definitely go take action, start doing this stuff and start earning some real income online. And if you got some value out of this video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next awesome video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching our awesome video.